In this video, I'm going to show you how to link slides in PowerPoint on the web, so you can jump between slides instantly with just one click. This is a super useful trick if you want to create interactive presentations, build a menu slide, make quizzes, or simply navigate faster during your slideshow. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your presentation in PowerPoint on the web and go to the slide where you want to add the link. Next, select the text, shape, or image that you want people to click. You can link almost any object, so choose the one that makes the most sense for your presentation. Once it's selected, look at the top menu and click Insert, then choose Link. If you prefer, you can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+ to open the link box faster. After the link window appears, you'll see a few different options. For this tutorial, you want to click Place in this document. This is the option that lets you link to another slide inside the same PowerPoint file instead of linking to a website. Once you choose that option, a list of your slides will appear. Now select the slide number you want to jump into. Take a moment to double check that you picked the correct slide, especially if your presentation has a lot of sections or similar slide names. When everything looks right, click Insert to confirm the link. And that's it. Your text, shape, or image is now linked to another slide in the presentation. To test it, click the linked item and make sure it takes you to the slide you selected. This is especially helpful for building clickable contents pages, navigation buttons, or interactive lessons that let viewers move around easily. If you want, you can repeat the same process for other slides so your presentation becomes fully clickable and more professional looking. Once you get used to it, it only takes a few seconds, so now you know how to link slides in PowerPoint on the web the easy way. If this video was helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.